to pick up her son from some school or something.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين واللعنة على أعدائهم من الآن إلى يوم الدين أما بعد فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم. Right, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So last lesson, which lesson did we reach in the revision? So we started the revision, and which lesson did we reach?
That's 17.
Correct. So, Aghay Hassan Ali, Bismillah, can you start?
Okay, so we are starting from the bottom there. Change the underlined words to plural and reconstruct the sentences.
Right.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Mithal, man hazar rajulu, huwa hajjun. Who is this man? Who are these men? Who is this man? He is a Haji. Man ha'ulai rijal. Who are these people? Hum hujjajun. They are hujjaj.
Correct.
Min aina hadha talib. Where is this student from? Huwa min Hindi. He is from India. Min ha'ulai tulab.
No. So you will say min. So the same question. We need to change this to plural now. So min aina remains the same, but hada will change the plural, and at-talib will change the plural as well. So it will become min aina.
Min aina ha'ulai tulabu.
Min aina ha'ulai tulabu. They are from India. So huwa has to change the plural form. They.
Hum
Yep.
min al-Hindi.
Excellent. Next one.
Aina tajirul kabiru. Who is this big businessman? Where is this big businessman? Who of his suki? He is in the bazaar or
Market.
in the market.
And now the question is for yourself. The word aina tajiru al-kabiru. What relationship al-kabiru has with a tajir?
It is telling about. It is an adjective. Kabir. It's telling more about tajir.
Excellent. How do you know it's an adjective? It's correct, but I just want to pick on yourself to see why you're making an adjective. There are certain rulings with regards to adjectives. What ruling which are applicable on this?
Because like if it is if there is, are you talking about grammar here or what?
Yeah, from a grammatical perspective.
Okay, so if it is alif lam there, al, then you have a zumma or a fatha or a kisra.
Yep.
So aina tajir, because al means who, the particular tajir.
Correct.
So that's why it says aina tajiru kabiru.
Excellent. That is right. So the adjective follows the actual noun which is describing.
Yeah.
And a tajir is coming with that, and that's the reason al-kabir is coming. Tajir is masculine, al-kabir is masculine. Tajir is coming with a dhamma, al-kabir is coming with a dhamma.
Yeah.
Tajir is singular, al-kabir is singular as well.
Right.
Tajir is masculine, Al-Kabir is masculine as well.
Right.
So these are all the things which the Sifa Mawsuf follow each other and which you said correctly.
Yes.
And the answer will be, they are?
Huwa fi suki, he is, okay. Aina tujal kabiru.
Kibaro.
Kibaru.
Yep.
Where are the businessmen?
Yep, the big businessmen.
The big businessmen. Hum fi suki. They are in the market.
Yeah.
Okay. Aina al-mudarrisul jadidu. Where is the new teacher? Huwa indil mudiru. He is with the principal. Aina mudarrisun al-jadidu. Jadidu.
No. So Ain al-Mudarris al-Jadido, it's singular form. So where is the?
Aina al-mudarrisuna.
Yeah, Ain al-Mudarrisuna, correct. And now Mudarrisuna is plural. So the adjective has to be plural as well.
Al-jadiduna.
No. So the plural of al-Jadido is al-Jududu.
Al-jududu, sorry. Al-jududu.
Correct.
Okay. Hum indal mudiru.
Hum in the Mudiri, correct.
Okay, so they are in the principal's office. Aina talibul jadidu. Where is where is the new student?
Correct.
Huwa fil fasli. Is he in the classroom? Aina tulabun jadidun.
Jududu.
Jududun, sorry.
Al-Jududu.
Al-jududu. Haulai fil fasli.
Haulai fil fasli. They are in the
classroom.
No, Haulai wouldn't be the answer. Hum fil fasli. So
okay.
Huwa, plural is hum. Ahum fil fasli, are they in the classroom?
Okay. Haulai al fasli.
No. Ahum fil fasli, are they in the classroom?
Okay.
So means is Huwa, is he? Huwa fil fasli, is he in the classroom? And so you will have to change that to he to they. They is hum. Ahum fil fasli.
Okay. Hum fil fasli. Okay.
So here hada is coming. So the plural of hada, this and these, is haulai. So here we will use haulai.
Okay.
Bismillah. Hada talibu.
Ahazat talibu ganiyun. Is this student rich? La huwa fakirun. No, he is poor.
Correct.
Haulai tulabu ganiyun. Are these students rich?
So haulai at-tullabu. So are these students? Now here hada talibu, haulai at-tullabu, it's hada is ismul ishara, at-tullab is the noun musharun ilayh, to whom hada is pointing. So hada haulai at-tullabu, both of them together is the mubtada, and ghaniyun should be the khabar. And when we are talking about plural individuals and human beings, the khabar will also correspond in the plural form. So if you're saying haulai tullabu, then this has to change in the plural form as well now. So what's the plural of ghaniyun?
Agnaun.
Aghniya'un. Aghniya'un, correct.
Agniyaun, right?
Yep. Haulai tullabu aghniya.
Aghniyahun.
Correct. Then you will say La.
La hum faqir.
So what's the plural of faqirun?
Fukarao.
Fukarao.
Correct. La hum fuqara'u.
La hum fukarao.
Okay. So it's good that we're doing the revision. It's just correcting
I
everyone's.
know. Because I've been writing wrong things here.
So alhamdulillah, you're doing very well. Very well. Alhamdulillah, it's really good. These slight little mistakes, it's part of the revision, so that's fine. But overall, alhamdulillah, you're doing very well. You kept up, and you said I can remember you said to me initially, be patient with me, and I may take longer, but alhamdulillah, you're doing very well.
Thank you, Sheikh.
Sometimes it puts me to shame when I think of myself when I was learning Arabic.
No, like these days I even forget the names of the people whom I know.
I see.
I don't know what is happening with me, but I forget the names of the people I know. I don't know what to do.
Okay, what I'll advise you to do is that this is something which was happening with Ayatollah Khoui as well. So what did Ayatollah Khoui did? I think he's in the age of 70s as well when this happened to him. He started to memorize the Quran. What I would recommend you to do is that the short surahs of the Quran,
yes,
like Surah Buruj, Surah Waq. Surah Waq is a bit long. For example, Surah Dahr, Surah A'la, Surah Fajr, Surah Teen, Surah Inshirah, Surah Dhuha.
Yeah.
If you need help, I can send you. There's a book which I was using during Shahr Ramadan for the 30 of Juz classes. The best way is that if you try to start memorizing those surahs, that will automatically improve your memory as well, inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you so much, Sheikh.
So inshallah, because
Thank you for the tip. I needed it too. I guess it makes your muscles stronger. Brain is a muscle, right? Exercising it. So that's a very good tip. Thank you. Yeah, we all need that. That's really good. Thank you.
And why don't you send the book to everybody else?
I'll send you things that I haven't got unfortunately this book I haven't got a PDF for this book. I'll send you the actual ISBN number and the actual book name, and you can purchase it. It's a really good book. So that was a book which I was using myself during the 30 of Juz classes during Shahr Ramadan. If there's particular surahs you want to memorize, tell me and I can make PDFs of those files or those surahs, and I can send it across to you. Surah A'la. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سبح اسم ربك الأعلى الذي خلق فسوى والذي قدر فهدى. This surah helps you to have photographic memory.
Surah Ala, yeah?
Yeah, Surah Ala.
Do they do it with meaning, Sheikh, or is it without meaning?
The thing what I was going to ask you to do is do it with meaning, so it will help you with your Arabic as well. And also, it helps you with the understanding or memorization. Learning something with meaning is better than learning it like a parrot itself. And you will enjoy it much more better that way. If you want me to help you, I'm more than happy to arrange those sessions, these surahs for memorization. This is how you memorize as well.
Okay. It would be nice if we did just with this revision class and then just set 15 minutes aside in the end. It would really help. At least I feel. I mean, let's see what the others say.
Sure. Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. So what we can do is that after this class, let's finish the revision, and what I can do, I can arrange like half an hour. We can go for the short surahs of the Quran and then work on that as well, inshallah. Yeah, that can be done.
Inshallah. That would be great. Inshallah. That would be really good. Surah Ala is the one, it's really highly recommended in the morning, right? To recite.
Surah Ala, this is a surah which is recommended particularly on Jummah.
But even if you do it,
I thought Jummah
like in the morning, Surah
Jummah and Surah and also the other surah being Surah Jummah and Surah A'la. So normally Surah A'la is
Surah Kaf.
No, we're talking about the morning prayers.
Okay.
And Surah Al, normally we recite this in our Eid al-Fitr prayers.
Yes, yes.
Surah Shams. And Surah Shams, again, inshallah, maybe, let me look for it, because that, I don't know, have you heard of a lecture or any lectures on how the Surah Fajr is called Surah al-Husayn?
No.
No?
No.
What's it called? Surah Al-Fajr is called what? Sorry, I didn't get that.
It's in praise of Imam Hussain alayhi salam. And,
okay, I thought you said.
And in certain the Facade of Shia books, they have said that Surah Al-Fajr is Surah Al-Hussain. It's ascribed to Imam Hussain alayhi salam, and that's why it's in praise of Imam Hussain alayhi salam. So maybe.
So what about Surah Ahzab?
So Ahzab, it contains ayat, yes it is as well, but this whole surah is in praise of Imam Hussain alayhi salam.
Inshallah, we'll start reading that.
We can do all this with you, Sheikh.
Let me just finish off the revision sessions. Then what I can do, because I'm pressing for personally, I want to start the Fazail of Ahlul Bayt alayhimus salam in the Quran, particularly with what's the current situation, what's happening internationally. I want to start. There are certain things which are of my personal keen interest, and that's the reason why I'm doing these classes, to aim to make the students reach that level that we can study them and they can enjoy the classes because they can read and understand the primary sources. So that is the whole aim. That's which is keeping me going to teach Arabic, to see everyone to be able to read those books itself. It's a book, Maqadim Shirazi in Arabic. It's called Ayatul Wilaya. There's a book in Arabic called Ayatul Wilaya, and it talks about the Fazail of Ahlul Bayt Muslim in the Quran, and how do you refute any contradictions or any type of objections on those ayats of the Quran.
Okay.
So
it's in English too?
No, it's not. It's not. It hasn't been translated. I am yearning to translate it. It's just finding the time to sit down and translate the book in English, because it's such an amazing book.
Wow.
Such a really good book.
Inshallah, we can try it.
Inshallah.
Bismillah. Let's get Sister Hena Doji. It's been a long time. We haven't heard your voice.
Yeah, I wasn't there last week. Sorry.
No problem. How are you? Inshallah, hope you're well.
Okay, so we start from 6 now.
Yes, 6, please. Man hadha
rajulu huwa dayfun. Who is this man? He is Zaid. I forgot.
Guest.
Yes, Dayf is a guest.
Oh, he is a guest. Man has so man haulai rijalu.
Yep.
Whom duyufun.
Duyufun, correct.
Yeah. Li akun kabirun. This is my brother, big brother.
Yes.
Can it be?
Li akhun kabirun. I have a big brother.
Oh, I have.
No, that is a question.
Sorry. Yes. Yeah. Yes.
That is a question.
Yeah, that's right.
It says, "Do you have a brother? Do you have a brother?"
So it's a question like sometimes, do I have a big brother at university? So li akhun kabirun. Yeah. Do I?
Like li akun kabirun doesn't? Don't you say it? Do you have a big brother?
Yeah. Do I have a big brother?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Do I have a big brother in this case, right?
Yes.
Huwa talibun bil jamia.
Correct.
He is a student in the university.
Correct.
Okay, so li akhawatun.
No.
kibar.
Akhawatun is the plural of ukhtun.
Uktun, sorry. So li
Ikhwatun. Ikhwatun.
ikhwatun. Ikhwatun?
Yeah. So
Ikhwatun kibarun.
yeah, li ikhwatun kibarun. They are students at the university. So change this.
هم طلاب بالجامعة.
Correct. هم طلاب بالجامعة. Correct.
أين صديقك? Where is your friend? ذهب إلى المكتب. He went to the library. أين صديقة? So صدوق. أصدقاء. Sorry. أين أصدقاؤك? No, أصدقاؤك. ذهب إلى
ذهب is he went. So change that to
so they went. Okay. So ذهبوا إلى المكاتب.
إلى المكتبة.
Oh.
ذهبوا إلى المكتبة.
ذهبوا إلى المكتبة. We don't make the maktaba plural.
No, you did that singular. You will do that singular.
إلى المكتب.
إلى المكتبة. They went to the
library.
إلى المكتبة.
Library.
They went library. Muhammadun love.
Yeah.
Can I quickly ask? Sorry to interrupt, Zeranti. It's starting with the verb dhahaba, so I could even leave it as a singular, or it does have to be changed to the plural.
So here,
the answer.
So because it's أين أصدقاؤك, where are your friends? Now,
okay.
If it's a good question, if I actually had the names after ذهب, Khalidun, Muhammadun, and so forth, then I can have the singular ذهب. But
okay.
because now we are talking about a question which is talking about friends, which is plural, so for this reason I have to change the verb so that the verb, as you know, every verb has a pronoun which represents
to make it, yes,
the doer itself. So for this reason, because there's a pronoun referring back to the friends, so we have to change that to plural formats.
Okay. Because I remember you saying that normally if you are starting with the verb, it doesn't have to be in a plural form, but here it makes sense because it's still connecting to the question. Okay, thank you so much. Sorry to interrupt.
Good question. So ذهبوا إلى المكتبة. Now, as you ask this question, I'll mention something else as well. Now, if I'm going to say, this is an open question to anyone. If I say the Muslim man went to the library, how would you say that? The Muslim man went to the library.
Al-Muslimu.
So the verb comes first.
Dhahaba. Yes.
Continue.
Dhahaba.
Al-Muslimu.
Muslim.
Maktabati.
Okay. See this point? Dhahaba al-Muslimu ila al-maktabati. So dhahaba is the verb. Al-Muslimu is the doer. Ila al-maktabati. Ila is a preposition. Maktabati is in the state of majroor. This is related to dhahaba. So where did he go? He went to
the library. Yeah.
Now, the next point I'm going to teach you, which you may remember or you may have forgot. Now, because the verb is coming in the beginning of the sentence, and if I bring a doer in the plural format, for example, a sound masculine plural. A sound masculine plural. What is a sound masculine plural of Muslim?
Muslimuna.
Muslimuna. So if I said dhahaba al-Muslimuna ila al-maktabati, that's perfectly correct. Because even though you have a singular verb, but if the fa'il, the doer, is coming after the verb, the doer of the action, you can have the singular verb and you can have the doer in a plural format.
Yes, that's how I was thinking. But here it's relating to the previous question, so it is plural.
Yes.
Okay.
So that
you were saying after, right? If it was before,
then it'll be different.
it's specific like the way you said, right?
So then it will be if I say al-Muslimuna,
Yeah.
now al-Muslimuna, if I say al-Muslimuna in the beginning of a sentence, would it be classified as a verbal sentence or a nominal sentence?
Nominal sentence.
Nominal sentence.
Exactly. So if it's a nominal sentence, then it's a subject, correct?
Right.
Yes.
So a subject, what does it require?
A predicate.
A khabar.
Yes.
Predicate. So now the khabar has to correspond with the subject in the actual form, in the sense that whether it's singular or plural.
Yes.
Right.
So that's the reason why we will have to change the singular verb into the plural, so the khabar corresponds with the subject.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Because it came
Yes.
after, right?
Exactly. So it'll be
And-
al-Muslimuna.
Mm-hmm.
What verb would I use?
Dhahabu.
Excellent. Excellent. So the al-Muslimuna dhahabu ila al-maktabati. So dhahabu ila al-maktabati, it's a verbal sentence,
Yeah.
but it is coming as a predicate, as a khabar for Muslimuna.
Right.
So you can
And it
have,
also, sorry,
Yeah.
go ahead.
so a verbal sentence can come as a khabar for a subject, a mubtada.
Mm-hmm.
And even if it's a prepositional sentence where it starts with the preposition, then the verb has to be according to the noun form, right?
So if a preposition comes,
Before, like I remember once you had said that why is the sentence starting with a preposition, and it was something to do if it would start that because it's describing something to do with the noun or a nominal thing.
so if a preposition comes in the beginning of a sentence, that is because the subject, because one of the requirements for a subject, it is to be definite, a definite
Okay.
noun. So if for example, al-Muslimuna
Yes.
or al-Rajulu, so if there's alif lam, then it can become the subject. But if the subject does not have alif lam or is not a proper noun, then
Yes, it's indefinite. Yeah.
if it's indefinite, then the predicate, the jara majroor, the preposition will come before
Okay.
the subject. Like, I'll give you an example. Fil bayti rajulun. Fil bayti rajulun. So what's happening? The preposition is confining and restricting who is in the house.
So a man is in the house. So it could be any man.
The man is in the house.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Is that clear? I am going, inshallah, I'll cover this more in the next phase.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, but you had mentioned somewhere in the middle of the book, and I was trying to figure out why that was a prepositional sentence.
Yeah, it's good that you're recalling it, because that's the reason why I try to embed the seeds so that it makes life easier for everyone.
Thank
So
you
this
so
is a
much.
prepositional sentence, isn't it? Aina sadiquka?
Aina, it's no. No, Aina.
It's just an interrogative.
That's right. That's right.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Should I continue?
Yes, please.
Muhammadun lahu nun saghirun. Muhammad is his, no, the who. His, the who
Muhammad
has a younger son.
child.
Has a younger son.
So Muhammadun lahu ibnun saghir. Muhammad had a younger son, yeah.
Younger son. Huwa talibun fil madrasati. He is a student in the madrasa. Muhammad, what do I have to do? Plural, right?
Yeah. Muhammadun lahu.
Muhammadun lahu abna'u sigaru.
Abna and Sighanu, correct?
Hum
Yep.
tullabun fil madrasati.
Hum tullabun fil madrasati, correct.
Azamiluka mujtahidun. Zamil, I forgot.
Zamil means colleague.
Huh?
Colleague.
Azumalauka.
Your colleague is knowledgeable.
Yes.
Is
It's a
it
question.
knowledgeable?
Yeah.
Is your colleague knowledgeable?
Yeah. Is your colleague hardworking?
Hardworking.
Yeah.
Is your colleague hardworking? Naam. Yes. Huwa mujtahidun. He is hardworking.
Correct.
So is azamilun. So zumalau mujtahidun. Mujtahidun, plural of mujtahidun.
Mujtahiduna.
Okay. Az-zumalau mujtahiduna. Naam. Hum mujtahiduna.
Correct.
Okay. Sorry, I haven't practiced.
No, that's fine.
So-
That's no problem. Sister Tahira, can you come on the mic?
Yes.
Next exercise, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Make the following nouns mudaf using first a noun and then a pronoun as shown in the example. Mithal, abna'u, abna'u Muhammadin, abna'uhu. Asma'un, asma'u at-tullabi, asma'uhum.
Correct.
Can we, sorry, Tara, can we have translation just so
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, no
the
problem.
meaning, if it's okay?
Yeah,
Sorry.
it's better to do the meaning. I forgot. Asma'u, a name.
Yeah. Asma'u Tullabi, the student names.
Asma'u Tulabi, student name, and Asma'uhum is their names.
Correct.
Zumalau, friends or colleagues. Zumalau Hamidin, Hamid's colleagues.
Correct.
Zumalauka,
Mm-hmm.
his colleagues. Asdikau.
Sure.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. It's not home.
Yeah.
Thank you, Asnadim. Zumalauka is your colleagues. Asdikau is your friends.
Mm-hmm.
Asdikaul mudarrisi, the teacher's friends. Asdikauhu, his friends.
So asdikau is just friends.
Asdiqa'un is friends, correct? And
Just
asdiqa'un.
friends, okay.
Yeah.
So all of
Sheikh,
these,
here we are not making the plurals, huh?
No, we're basically mudaf ilay. So here, asma'un at-tullabi. So asma'un has a dhamma tanween. So you drop the dhamma tanween and just put one dhamma, asma'u tullabi. Zumala'u, zumala'u hamidin, zumala'uka. So it's trying to give you examples of how to make mudaf ilay with a name and also with a pronoun itself.
Okay.
That's the whole exercise in this lesson. Right. Can you do 1, 2, and 3?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Change the subject of the following sentences to plural as shown in the example. At-talibu dhahaba ilal mat'am. The student went to the kitchen.
Mat'am restaurant.
Oh, mat'am is restaurant.
Yeah.
So what is kitchen?
Matbakh.
Matbakh. Okay. At-tulabu dhahabu ilal mat'am. The students went to the restaurant. At-talibu jalasa fil fasli. the student sat in the class. At-tulabu jalasu fil fasli. The students sat in the class. Al-mudarrisu kharaja min al-madrasati.
Al-mudarrisu.
Yeah, al-mudarrisu kharaja min al-madrasati. The teacher left or exited from the school.
Yeah, that's correct.
Al-mudarrisuna kharaju min al-madrasati.
Correct.
So it's the teachers all left from the school. At-tajiru dhahaba ila suki. The merchant went to the market. At-tujjaru dhahabu ila suki. The merchants, they all went to the market.
Right. I request you to do 1 to 5 and then I get Shabnam.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ikra waqtub. At-tullabu fil fasli. The students are in the classroom.
Right.
Man haula'il awladu. Who are all these children? Ahum abna'uka. They are your sons.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. Are they your sons? Ahum abna'uka? La hum abna'u akhi. They are the sons of my uncle, paternal uncle.
No, brother. Lahum abna'u. Brother.
Oh, sorry. Hum abna'u akhi. They are the children of my brother. Man ha'ula'in nasu. Who are these people? Hum hujjajun min Turkiya. They are pilgrims from Turkey.
Excellent.
Aina tujjaru. Where are the merchants? Dhahabu ila suki. They went to the market. Man ha'ula'ir rijalu. Who are these men? Hum duyufun. They are guests.
Excellent. Sister Shabnam.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الفلاح في الحقول وأبناؤهم
Al-fallahuna, not fallahu. Fallahu is singular.
الفلاحون في الحقول وأبناؤهم في المدرسة.
Correct.
So الفلاحون are
Farmers.
Are the farmers, right? The farmers are in the field.
Yep.
And their sons are in the madrasa, in the school. Aina tullabul judud. Where are the new students? Ba'duhum fil fasli wa ba'duhum in the mudiri. Some are in the classroom and some are with the principal. Mami tujarun kibarun. My uncles are big merchants.
My uncles
or
yeah.
Or I don't know how to put it else.
Mami tujarun kibarun. So here Mami is the subject, tujarun kibarun. Both of them are adjectives and this is the khabar.
Yeah, so is there any other way of saying my uncles are big merchants, or this is the only
one? So anyway.
Yeah. Okay. Haulai ikhwati. These are my brothers. Aina abnauka ya aliyu. Where are your sons, O Ali? Hum fil dukani. They are in the shops. At-tullabu kibaru fil mal'abi wa tullabu sigaru fil fasli. the big students are in the playground or stadium, and the young
الطلاب والكبار في الملعب in the stadium or the playground. Yeah, correct.
and the young students are in the classroom.
Correct. Continue.
هؤلاء فتية إخوة. هؤلاء, these young boys are
Brothers.
Sorry?
Brothers.
Brothers, yes, إخوة are brothers. أبوهم إمام هذا المسجد. Their father is the imam of this masjid. هؤلاء رجال فلاح من قرية. Oh, I'm having a hard time. قريتي, sorry. هؤلاء رجال فلاح من قريتي.
What is قريتي?
Yes, so these men are from my village.
Correct.
Fallah means farmers, right?
These men are farmers from our village. Yes.
Sorry, these men are farmers from my village. أين طلاب الجدد? Where are the new students? خرجوا? Did they leave? نعم خرجوا وذهبوا. Yes, they left and went to the إلى المكتب, to the library. هؤلاء الطلاب طبيبة. Oh, sorry. هؤلاء الطباع المسلمون. Sorry, this today I'm having such a hard time in this slide to read. نعم هم مسلمون. Are these doctors Muslims? Yes, they are Muslims. لي أبناء صغير.
صغار.
Sorry, لي أبناء صغار. My أبناء, my sons are small.
Yep.
بعضهم في المدرسة إلى الابتدائية وبعضهم في المدرسة المتوسطة. So some of them are in the madrasa, in the elementary.
Yep, primary school.
And primary school, and some of them are in the middle school.
Correct. Jazakallah, thank you. Aghay Hassan Ali, can you do the plurals of these words, please?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Write the plural of the following words. Kabirun, kibarun. Muslimun, muslimuna. Rajulun, rijalun. Ibnun, abnaun. Zayfun, zuyufun. Fatan, fityatun. Hajjun, hujjajun. Akhun, ikhwatun. Saghirun, sigarun. Tawilun, tiwalun. Ghaniyun, a'aniya'u. Faqirun, fukara'u. Should I continue?
Yes, please.
Can we do meanings or no?
Yes,
Sorry.
yeah, go ahead, the meanings, yeah.
Sorry. That's an uncle a little more vocab, sorry.
Kabirun, big, and kibarun, more than one big. Muslimun, one Muslim. Muslimuna, more than one Muslim. Rijalun, one man. Rijalun, more than one man. Ibnun, sons. Abnaun, more than one son. Faslun is old. Zuyufun, old, more than one old person. Fatan, I don't know this number in this. Patan.
Youth, young man, young youth.
Okay, young. Okay. Hajjun, pilgrim.
Right.
Hujjajun, pilgrims.
Mm-hmm.
Akhun, my brother. Akhwatun, brothers.
Mm-hmm.
Sahirun, small. Sigarun, small. More than one.
Yep.
Tawilun, tall. Tiwalun, more than one tall. Ghaniyun, wealthy. Aniyau, more than one person who is wealthy. Fakirun, the poor person. Fukaraun, more than one poor person.
Correct. Sister Doji, can you do the new words, please?
Al-Kalimatul Jadidatu, Al-Haqlu, Hukulu.
What does it mean?
The farmers.
Yep.
And Hukulu is farmers.
Haqlu means fields. Field, and Hakulun means fields.
Field, sorry.
Field, yeah.
Al-Haqlu, the field. Hukulun,
Sheikh.
Yep.
Al-Haqlu doesn't it means the truth?
Truth, no. Al-Hakikatu, Al-Haqqu means truth. Al-Haqlu means field, farm fields.
What does it mean? Say, sorry, I didn't get it.
It means
it's a different path, right?
Yeah. Al-Haqlu means fields, meaning vegetation, plantation fields. They're called fields.
Okay.
And Hakulun is the
kaf is the same, right, Sheikh? Al-Haqqu?
Sorry, no. Al-Haqqu, it means truth.
And the kaf is the same, isn't it?
The qaf is the same, ha is the same, the lam shouldn't be there. Al-Haqqu means truth, but Al-Haqlu means plain fields for vegetation or for crop.
Okay.
And Nasu, the men, I don't know the plural of that.
Nas is no plural for it.
Okay.
There's no plural. And Nas is people means people.
Oh yeah, okay. And Nasu. Al-Qariyatu, the village.
Yes.
Al-Qariyatu.
Al-Dhayfu means guest.
No, what is the plural of Qariyatu? Sorry.
Qariyatun qira. Al-qira. Qaf raya.
Okay, Al-Qira.
Yeah.
So Qariyatu is village, right?
Yeah, villages. But we don't need a village. It's just to see whether you know these words. A sheikh means sheikh. And what about the next one? Al-mat'am. What does that mean?
Mat'am is a kitchen. No, restaurant.
Correct. And the next one?
The next one is Al-Madrasatul Ibtidaiya, is the middle school or elementary school.
Yeah. Now, over here, sound plurals. There's sound masculine plurals and sound feminine plurals. So, Muslimun, Muslimuna. If Qanun at the end, this is sound masculine plural. If there is a time marbuta at the end in the singular and the plural has alif and a flat ta, this is called a sound feminine plural. I'm not going to do this because we've done this before. I'm just going to repeat some basic things. Hada, Sister Doji, 2 and 3, please.
2 and 3. This, okay.
Yes, the plural of Hada and Hadihi.
What page?
Page number 23.
23? Okay.
We can't hear you clearly. Is there one way?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, now we can. Now
Okay, because there's something going on. I'm just telling my husband to stop. Okay. Sorry. So is this number 2 part I'm doing?
Yes.
Student.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Okay. Plural of Hada and Hadi is Haulai. Example, Haza Tajirun, this is a merchant. Haulai Tujarun, these are merchants. Hazihi Madrasatun, this is a lady teacher. Haulai, Hazihi Mudarrisatun, this is a lady teacher. Haulai Mudarrisatun, these are lady teachers. Note that haulai is mostly used with human beings. It's used to refer to non-human beings is rare. The plural hua, he, is whom, they, masculine. Unlike the singular hua, the plural whom is used to refer only to human beings. He is a teacher, hua mudarrisun. Whom mudarrisuna, they are teachers. Plural of who, his, is whom, they. Where is their house? Aina baytuhum. Their father is a famous merchant. Abuhum tajirun shahirun. Note that the words for they and their have the same form, whom. We have learned dhahaba, he went. Now they went, dhahabu, idhahabu. Note that there is an alif at the end of the word which is not pronounced. Note that the pronoun that we have learned in this part of the lesson is masculine. We will learn the feminine pronoun in part B of this lesson. Number 5. Ba'dun means some. Example, ba'duhum mudarrisuna wa ba'duhum muhandisuna. Some of the teachers are, some of them are teachers and some of them are engineers.
Excellent. Right. The ba itself, let's divide that into 2 parts. So Sister Sister Tahira and Sister Shabnam, I want you to, one is going to read the question, one's going to read the answer.
Page 25. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Shabnam, you want to start?
Sure. Whatever. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. من هؤلاء الفتيات يا مريم? Who are these young ladies, or Maryam?
Hunna zamilati. They are my colleagues.
Akhawatun hunna. Are they sisters?
Na'am, hunna akhawatun. Yes, they are sisters.
Man abuhunna. Who is their father?
Abuhunna Shaykhu Bilal. Their father is Sheikh Bilal. Ummuhunna Ustadati. Their mom is a lady professor.
Yep, lady teacher.
Lady
It's
teacher.
my teacher, right?
Yeah, Ustada, my teacher, yeah.
There is a ye at the end, right?
Oh, sorry, yeah. So Ummuhunna Ustadati. Their mom is my teacher.
Aina baytuhunna. Where is their house?
Baytuhunna qaribun min al-madrasati. Their house is close by to the school or near the school. Near from, because of min.
Yes.
Right. And one of you do 4 of these, and the other will do we'll do 5 of each.
Okay. Okay. Should I just start that?
Sure, please go ahead.
Is it us, Sheikh, or yeah?
Yourself and Sister Tahira.
Okay. There you go.
You
مثال
start first.
هذه
You start.
okay مثال هذه بنت, this is my girl. هؤلاء بنات,
Oh, girl.
this is my girl or a daughter, sorry. هؤلاء بنات, these are daughters. So do I say my daughters?
No, this is a daughter and
These,
this is a daughter.
this is a daughter and these are daughters. هذه طالبة, this is a student. هؤلاء طالبات, these are students. هذه مدرسة, this is a teacher. هؤلاء مدرسات, these are teachers. هذه طبيبة, this is a doctor. هؤلاء طبيبات, these are female doctors. هذه مسلمة, this is a Muslim, feminine. هؤلاء مسلمات, these are female Muslims or believers. هذه زوجة, this is a spouse, a female spouse. هؤلاء زوجات, these are wives.
Correct, Sister Tahira?
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هذه أخت, this is a sister. هؤلاء أخوات, these are sisters.
Correct.
هذه فتاة, this is a young girl. هؤلاء فتيات, these are young girls. هذه جديدة, this is a new person. هؤلاء جدد, these are new people. هذه كبيرة, this is a famous, a big man. Sorry, a big lady. هؤلاء كبار, these are big ladies. هذه صغيرة, this is a young person, young lady. هؤلاء صغار, these are young ladies. هذه طويلة, this is a tall lady. هؤلاء طوال, these are tall ladies. Sheikh, this is similar for male and female, right? The kibarun, sigarun, and tiwalun.
That's right. So it shares, the plurals are the same. Right. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. Right. So we'll continue because it's a long lesson. It's about, it will take, then we'll go to Jima as well next week. So inshallah, next we will finish this and lesson 3 and 4. And then inshallah, the following week, we will reach lesson number 5. So just revise through it as well. If there's anything you have questions, please do ask questions. Because this book is a really important book because there's a lot of new concepts in this book. So that's the reason why doing the revision, it just reinforces everything and everything is settled and you have a better understanding. Any questions?
Yes, I have one.
Yes.
Zawjatun, plural would be Zawjatun.
Yep. Means wife. Yeah, Zawjat means wives. Zawja means a spouse. Azwaj means spouses. Zawjun, azwajun.
No, in a feminine, Zawjatun would be Zawjatun.
Correct.
Not Azwajatun, right?
Azwajun is the plural of Zawjun.
Okay. So Zawjatun.
Correct.
Thank you.
I'm going to send the link in the group. So if you kindly someone could share it in the group, I've just posted it in the group chat box. So you have the link so that you can listen to it if you would like to listen to the recording.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Alhamdulillah, it was good revision. And inshallah, we'll continue once we finish. And then inshallah, we'll start in book 3, inshallah.
Jazakallah, Sheikh. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.